I am Shonku.
What is microcontroller?
A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit that is designed to perform specific tasks. It contains a processor, memory, and input-output peripherals, all on a single chip. Microcontrollers are commonly used in embedded systems and devices such as appliances, automobiles, and industrial machinery.
Hello. What do you understand by term planet?
A planet is a celestial body that orbits around a star, is spherical in shape, and has cleared its orbit of other objects.
Shut down.
Thank you.